Welcome back, friends. In the last couple of lectures we installed Kubernetes on different platforms. We also set up the Kubernetes cluster in our own ways. However, setting up clusters and managing them in a production environment having hundreds of microservices are really a challenge for a professional. In this series of Kubernetes playlist we will continue discussing various managed platforms of Kubernetes and will slowly go deep into each of them. So, please stay tuned and subscribe to our channel to get notified without missing any of them. Today, we will focus on Openshift and will introduce it. So, let's get started. Openshift is a powerful Kubernetes-based container orchestration platform developed by Red Hat. Initially launched in 2011, it has evolved significantly from its origins as a platform as a service, PaaS, to a comprehensive hybrid cloud solution. Openshift's core is built on Kubernetes, but it extends the basic functionalities of Kubernetes with additional tools, services, and features that cater to enterprise needs. This makes it a robust platform for deploying, managing, and scaling containerized applications. Openshift was first introduced as Openshift Origin in 2011, a PaaS solution designed to streamline the development and deployment of applications. Over time, as containerization technologies like Docker and orchestration tools like Kubernetes gained traction, Openshift was reimagined to integrate these technologies. The result was OpenShift Container Platform, OCP, which incorporates Kubernetes at its core but adds layers of enterprise-grade features to facilitate a seamless cloud-native application lifecycle. While Kubernetes serves as the foundation for OpenShift, there are several key differences that set OpenShift apart. OpenShift offers a suite of tools for developers that are not present in vanilla Kubernetes. This includes an integrated CI/CD pipeline with Jenkins, source-to-image, S2I, capabilities, and a rich web console for managing applications. OpenShift enhances Kubernetes with additional security features. This includes stricter security policies out of the box, integrated identity management, and adherence to enterprise compliance standards. OpenShift's security context constraints, SCC, provide fine-grained control over pod permissions. OpenShift provides a more unified and cohesive operational experience. This includes automated installation, upgrades, and patching with OpenShift's operator framework, which simplifies lifecycle management. OpenShift's networking solutions are more advanced compared to basic Kubernetes. OpenShift includes Open vSwitch, OVS, for networking, supporting multiple networking plugins and providing robust network policy implementations. OpenShift offers a more polished and integrated user experience with its web console, which provides a visual interface for managing Kubernetes resources, monitoring application health, and visualizing logs. OpenShift's feature set is designed to provide a comprehensive platform for developing, deploying, and managing containerized applications. Key features include automated installation and upgrades. OpenShift simplifies the deployment process with automated installation and seamless upgrades. Red Hat OpenShift Container Storage, OCS, further extends this with persistent storage solutions. OpenShift includes Jenkins out-of-the-box for continuous integration and continuous deployment. It supports pipelines as code with OpenShift pipelines based on Tekton, allowing for scalable and flexible CI/CD workflows. OpenShift's source-to-image, S2I, toolchain allows developers to build reproducible container images directly from source code. The developer catalog provides a marketplace of pre-configured applications and services that can be deployed with a few clicks. OpenShift comes with integrated monitoring and logging solutions. Prometheus and Grafana are used for metrics and monitoring, while Elasticsearch, Fluentd, and Kibana, EFK, Stack provides robust logging capabilities. OpenShift provides tools for managing multiple clusters across different environments, whether on-premises, in the cloud, or at the edge. This is facilitated through Red Hat Advanced Cluster Management for Kubernetes. OpenShift's networking capabilities include support for software-defined networking, SDN, network policies, and ingress controllers. OpenShift Service Mesh, based on Istio, provides advanced microservices communication and observability. OpenShift's built-in security features include integrated authentication, role-based access control, RBAC, and automated compliance scanning. Red Hat Key provides container image security with vulnerability scanning. In summary, OpenShift is an enterprise-ready Kubernetes platform that goes beyond the capabilities of vanilla Kubernetes. Its integrated developer tools, enhanced security, operational simplicity, and comprehensive feature set make it an ideal choice for organizations looking to deploy and manage containerized applications at scale. Whether for hybrid cloud, multi-cloud, or edge computing environments, OpenShift provides a robust and scalable solution. OpenShift's popularity can be attributed to several key factors that cater to the needs of modern enterprises. Here are the main reasons why OpenShift has gained widespread adoption. OpenShift provides a complete enterprise-grade solution that extends beyond the capabilities of vanilla Kubernetes. It addresses the entire application lifecycle, from development to deployment to ongoing operations, making it a one-stop solution for many organizations. Security is a top priority for enterprises, and OpenShift excels in this area. It offers built-in security features such as role-based access control, RBAC, integrated authentication, and compliance with industry standards. OpenShift's security context constraints, SCCs, provide fine-grained control over container permissions, ensuring that security policies are enforced consistently across environments. OpenShift boosts developer productivity with integrated tools and streamlined workflows. Features like source-to-image, S2I, integrated CI/CD pipelines, and the developer catalog make it easier for developers to build, test, and deploy applications quickly. The Web Console and Command Line Interface, CLI, provide intuitive interfaces for managing applications and resources. Managing Kubernetes can be complex, but OpenShift simplifies operations with automated installation, upgrades, and lifecycle management. The operator framework allows for the automated deployment and management of Kubernetes applications, reducing the operational burden on IT teams. OpenShift's flexibility in deploying across multiple environments is a significant advantage. It supports on-premises, public cloud, and hybrid cloud deployments, enabling organizations to choose the best environment for their workloads. Red Hat Advanced Cluster Management, ACM, for Kubernetes further enhances this by providing tools for managing multiple clusters across different environments. OpenShift includes integrated monitoring and logging solutions, which are critical for maintaining application health and performance. Prometheus and Grafana are used for metrics and monitoring, while the Elasticsearch, Fluentd, and Kibana, EFK, stack provides comprehensive logging capabilities. These tools allow teams to monitor applications and infrastructure in real time, detect issues early, and troubleshoot effectively. Networking is a critical component of container orchestration, and OpenShift provides advanced networking features. OpenShift's software-defined networking, SDN, supports multiple networking plugins and network policies. OpenShift Service Mesh, based on Istio, provides advanced microservices communication, traffic management, and observability, making it easier to manage complex microservices architectures. OpenShift benefits from the strong ecosystem and community support of Red Hat and the open-source community. This includes access to Red Hat's extensive partner network, certified software, and professional support services. The OpenShift community actively contributes to the platform's development, ensuring that it remains up to date with the latest innovations and best practices. OpenShift is designed to scale applications efficiently, whether on a single cluster or across multiple clusters. Its architecture supports high availability and disaster recovery, ensuring that applications remain resilient and performant even under heavy load or in the event of failures. Red Hat's backing provides a level of assurance and support that is crucial for enterprise adoption. Red Hat offers professional services, training, and certification, helping organizations implement and manage OpenShift effectively. This enterprise readiness is a significant factor in OpenShift's popularity among large organizations. In summary, OpenShift's popularity stems from its comprehensive feature set, security and compliance capabilities, developer and operational productivity tools, support for multi-cloud and hybrid environments, integrated monitoring and logging, advanced networking solutions, strong ecosystem, scalability, and robust vendor support. These factors combine to make OpenShift a preferred choice for enterprises looking to deploy and manage containerized applications at scale. OpenShift can be deployed in several ways to accommodate different infrastructure environments and organizational needs. These deployment options provide flexibility for on-premises, public cloud, hybrid cloud, and multi-cloud strategies. Not only OpenShift can be deployed on bare metal servers on-premises, but also, it is nowadays popular on its managed versions on AWS named Rosa, GCP named OSGCP, Azure named ARO, and on IBM Cloud. Thank you friends for watching this video. We from the Learning Light team congratulate you for completing this video. In the upcoming lecture we will deploy our Docker image application on the OpenShift platform. We will create the Python application and will access a MySQL database from the application, and we will see how OpenShift takes care of the pods even if they die and gives the guarantee of having no data loss. So, stay tuned. Till then, goodbye and have a nice day. Thank you.